Had to do a quick video on this 2022 F450 Platinum Super Duty. This truck has right at 1,000 miles, maybe a couple more because we've driven it a few times, but about as beautiful and loaded as a truck can get. 37-inch brand new Toyo open country mud terrain tires on 22-inch fuel wheels. Of course, the power folding steps. Full platinum interior, panoramic sunroof, large, extremely large touchscreen stereo system. Heated cooled seats, memory seats, Husky floor mats. Color match fender flares. This is tuxedo black with metallic. Hard to see in this video, but perfect condition. King coilover shocks with full 4-link with greasable fittings. Matching King steering stabilizers. And large body rear shocks with reservoirs and custom billet mounts front and back. This truck's got lane assist, parking assist, LED headlights, loaded top to bottom and inside out. This truck's available right now. We have had multiple Ford dealers reach out about this particular truck. We are preferring to sell this to a private owner versus a dealer. In stock now and available. $139,995. It's showing 1,300 current miles. Gooseneck and fifth wheel provisions. Ready to go.